On a peaceful winter morning in the Pokemon world, the fields and forests were blanketed with soft white snow. Pikachu woke up in his cozy treehouse, his cheeks glowing with excitement. "It's snowing!" he shouted joyfully. Together with his friends, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle, he ran outside to play. They built snowpoke balls, made snow angels, and even had a snowball fight that left everyone laughing. Soon they found a little Piplup who had lost its way in the blizzard. Without hesitation, Pikachu led his friends to help. Through the cold wind and deep snow, they followed tiny footprints until they reached a frozen pond where Piplup was shivering. Bulbasaur used his vines to lift Piplup gently. Charmander's tail flame provided warmth, and together they brought it back to safety. When the stars began to sparkle in the sky, the friends gathered around a campfire, sharing stories and roasted berries. Pikachu looked up and whispered, "Friendship keeps us warm, even in the coldest snow." Everyone smiled, realizing that the magic of winter wasn't in the snow, it was in their hearts.